Hey guys, what's up? This is Fatal Cubes here, and in this video I'll be covering two topics. There's no Java programming in this video. I just wanted to show my website off, and I wanted to talk about the future for what I will be making and stuff. So let's first go over my website. To get to it, just go to fatalcubes.com. Now this is a huge work in progress. There's not much on it. It's barely a website right now. But I do have two games up, and there's a lot of issues with them, and I'm having issues with Java applets at the moment. So when you're playing the games, the keyboard input or the mouse input may become unresponsive. I'm not sure why that is. If you have any idea, you can just email me. I looked it up for a while and I couldn't find anything out. But anyways, on my home screen, you will see this option. This is really important. This is for you guys to request what game I should make next. Now these are the requirements. I'm not going to read them all in detail, but it's basically the game. It needs to be for tutorial purposes. I don't want to just make a game because you want me to make a game. I want a game that will help teach people something. So like maybe a platformer based game so that you can learn about tile maps and whatever. I don't want to just post random games. So yeah, if you have an idea, just make sure it follows the requirements. Email it to me at fatalcubes@yahoo.com, not my normal @gmail.com. That is for coding questions. This will be for submitting any game requests that you have. There's no guarantee that I will do the game that you pick. I'll probably pick games based on popularity, if multiple people vote for it, or how much I think I would enjoy making the game, because I don't want to make games that aren't fun for me to make in the first place. So that'll be cool. You guys can do that there. If you click on the games over here, there are no games, but these are some issues that you might run into when running the Java applets. First thing is the security issues, because Java, if you didn't know, in update 44, 45-ish, they had a huge security flaw where hackers were like, there's a lot of malicious malware on Java-infested websites or whatever, and even Homeland of Security said that you should disable Java from your browsers, and a lot of browsers just automatically disabled Java. So it's a huge pain to get it working up and running. But if you follow these tutorials, this will just show you. You want to, if you're having this security issues, so you have the plugin, but it's saying that, whatever, it's a security issue, just go ahead and go to your control panel, and there should be an exception list. Just follow these in detail. My site, I have no reason for giving you guys viruses, so trust me, I'm not doing anything to mess with your computers. And version issues, this is obviously if you don't have an updated version of Java, then you just get it and then uninstall all your other programs. If there's any more issues you have, please email them at my Gmail, not my Yahoo, and I will look into those and post the fix to it if they're relevant. As for the games, you can go ahead and go to play them. So this is the 2048 clone. Let me just check something right now. Alright. Anyway, it's gonna say that the publisher is unknown because I couldn't get a certificate to say that it's by me, but it is made by me. Yeah, see, they have all these security things. Just check this, accept and run. And that will run the 2048 game. This blinking game in true is for the thread stuff with the unresponsive keys. Yeah, so you can play it here. It keeps track of this stuff. Right now I am writing a file to your computer, so it's just one save data file under your home folder. You can delete it if you want. I will eventually be using cookies if I can figure out how to do that. Or you can go to Flappy Dodo Bird. Now this is a work in progress. I wanted to release this as an app. It is a Flappy Birds ripoff with a twist. So if you want to see a twist, go ahead and play it. Your Dodo Bird, whatever, jump and play. Anyways, the original game, I will post, the link is down here. If you have any, now this game is not finished, it's sort of like beta testing, so if you guys are playing it and you have any cool ideas, just email them to me and I'd be glad to look at it. I'm kind of in a slump for programming this game, so any neat suggestions I'll definitely look into. This page is pretty empty, as you can tell, and contact is just telling you to go to fatalcubes.com. Anyways, that's it for that. Let's go back to the home. So the update I wanted to talk about, just for what I will be programming in the future, what I have planned. So recently, I've had a lot of schoolwork because of finals coming up and whatever, and not too tremendously much. It's just I've been sort of taking a break from programming, so there won't be tons of videos coming out, and I don't have any series made yet. I will be finishing my 2048 game once I can figure out how to get the sound down. And after I do the sound, I'll work on the GUI stuff. And once that's all good, I will be working on a game engine. So the game engine is just going to be for simple Java 2D. There will be tutorials on how to make the basics of it. And then from there on out, it's basically going to be like a devlog. I will be posting videos and updates so you guys can always get the latest code for all the games, because future games that I make will be using this game engine. So yeah, you're going to want to stay tuned for updates about the game engine, which I will be making next, obviously. After that, I was thinking about making a Flappy Birds clone just because I already have one, and it's a pretty fun game to make and play. Other than that, I'll be just looking for your guys' suggestions. Obviously, if you have better suggestions than doing the Flappy Birds, I'm glad to do that beforehand. But yeah, so I'm going to finish up 2048, game engine, maybe Flappy Birds, and maybe even like a platformer-based thing. Haven't really decided about all that yet. So any suggestions, email them to me. And that's really it for this video. So I'll be working on the sound things, on sound for 2048, and when I get to that, I will post it. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.